suffered a bit of a hiccup today with somewhat cooler air moving south, but it does look as though it'll slowly warm up again over the weekend. Now, yesterday the top temperatures in the south just got into the low 20s, but today they were a good 5 to 10 degrees Celsius below that. The reason, well, we started off with a couple of cold fronts, but we're just left with this one here, and behind that, well, that's where the cooler air has been moving in, and you can see how that front has been steadily moving southwestwards through the afternoon. Unfortunately, what it hasn't brought is any reasonable amounts of rainfall to southern Britain. Now, there is a chance this evening that there might be the odd burst of rain on the north coast of Northern Ireland, or indeed across the southeast, but it'll just dampen the ground, and that'll be it, because that weather front will weaken further overnight and the cloud will break up, leaving clear skies across much of the country overnight tonight. And underneath those clear skies, a widespread frost. I think probably in parts of the Midlands, air temperatures could get a couple of degrees below zero. Now, high pressure is going to stay with us throughout the weekend. Weather fronts just brushing the far north of the British Isles, so it's always going to be rather cloudy up across the Hebrides, the far northern mainland of Scotland and in Orkney and Shetland, and that cloud could be thick enough every now and again to produce a little bit of rain. For the rest of us, I think there will be some sunshine around. Lighter winds during tomorrow, particularly across East Anglia and South East England, so it won't feel quite so chilly there. And if anything, temperatures will be a little bit up on today's, perhaps top temperatures of 14, 15 or even 16 Celsius in the south. Now, clear skies again during Saturday night, so once again a widespread frost on the ground, so growers and gardeners beware. And again, in central parts of Britain, we could find air temperatures dipping below zero. But that'll lead to another sunny day on Sunday. Once again, some thicker cloud and a little bit of drizzly rain up there in the far north. Any mist and fog around at the beginning of the day will soon disappear. And on Sunday, temperatures just up a little bit compared with Saturday's at around 16 Celsius. Of course, it's the big jog on Sunday in London with the marathon. It looks as though it could be a pretty good day, but those low humidities will mean plenty of water for the runners. And watch out, because the weather's moved on Sunday because of the marathon. It'll be over on BBC Two at 11:45 in the morning.